Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw simple IRA funds and avoid penalties. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from your simple IRA without incurring penalties, start by understanding the rules governing withdrawals. Confirm you are eligible for a withdrawal under IRS guidelines. Check if you have met the 2-year requirement since opening your simple IRA. If you are over 59.5 years old, you can withdraw funds without penalties. Consider withdrawing funds for specific qualifying reasons like disability or medical expenses. Determine whether you need to withdraw funds for an immediate financial necessity. Evaluate your options for addressing that necessity without penalties. Gather all necessary documentation related to your simple IRA account. Contact your financial institution where your simple IRA is held. Ask about their specific procedures for initiating a withdrawal. Fill out any required withdrawal forms provided by your financial institution. Clearly indicate the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure that you understand any potential tax implications of the withdrawal. Submit your completed forms to your financial institution. Keep a copy of all submitted documents for your records. Monitor your account to confirm that the funds are processed and deposited. Consult a tax professional if you have questions regarding tax liabilities. Maintain awareness of how the withdrawal affects your future retirement savings. Consider alternatives to withdrawing funds, such as loans or hardship distributions. Revisit your financial plan to accommodate any changes due to the withdrawal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.